The strong sun of the summer has damaged these headlights, and today we will make them clear again and get them from this into this. This is the before and after, using very basic tools.
I will clean the headlights with water and soap. Already it is looking better. As soon as the water will dry, the headlight will look dull again. I'm using toothpaste. It needs to have those grits inside. And check. Grab it nice all over the headlight. So it's a microfiber cloth. You need to rub it into the headlight. And then again you can use soap and water. And a paper towel. Just gonna use this. Okay, so in this method, this will last for a couple of weeks. But if you want to do a more permanent fix, you should use sandpaper. So I'm starting with 800 grit sandpaper, and again with the soap. And every now and then I'm soaking wet the sandpaper. This removing all the bad layer of the plastic from the headlight. Make it shine again. After, I'm using the 1000 grit sandpaper. It's a really fine sandpaper. clean cloth. I can use now a toothpaste, or I can use some polish. This paste actually is for metal. Thick, but as long as it's got grit in it, it will do the job. I can do this with hand, or I can use attachment. Slowly and carefully. Try to do straight motion, not round. This feels very smooth.